Hello, in this video I want to show you how to host a multiplayer game in Enshrouded. To do this, first we'll need to click on the play, then we need to select the middle option which is host, and here don't worry, there's session visibility to everyone, but you can set the password for your server. So for example, if you want to play with only your friends, then you can do it. Then you can create a new game, and that means new world, or play on the one that is already created. Hit the play button, then enter the password for your session and click on the start. Now if your friends want to join, they need to select the third option when they start the game and just find your server and enter the password. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.